the Vice Chancellor, Professor Isaac Kosgei, began his 8-month annual leave on Thursday, January 30, 2025. Secondly, the Deputy Vice Chancellor, Academic Research and Extension and Student Affairs, Professor Isaac Kimengi, has proceeded on a 1-year sabbatical leave. Thirdly, the Deputy Vice Chancellor, Administration Planning and Strategy, Professor Engineer Henry Kiriamiti, has proceeded on a 1-year sabbatical leave. The Chief of Finance Officer and legal officers have been suspended. Interviews were undertaken and the following outstanding scholars with impeccable credentials and experience were identified to lead the Moi University in the interim. Their acting appointments were effective from Friday, the 31st of January, 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor to announce the new acting Vice Chancellor of Moi University, Professor Kiplagat Kutut, sitting right next to me. I also have the pleasure to announce the new acting Deputy Vice Chancellor, Academic Research and Extension, Student Affairs, Professor Kaemba Ungeti. Wonderful, wonderful.
Me, as I get to know and analyze the extent of the challenge, I take this opportunity to call upon all stakeholders of the university, the students, the parents, the suppliers, the members of staff, that the success of the university is not going to be delivered by one person. I am calling upon you and by stating that you have a very dynamic council.
First thing that the council will do in the next meeting is to interrogate that document, strengthen it, own it, and start implementing it. Key highlights of this document is strengthening and broadening strategic partnerships. You know, with that come resources and equipment for workshops, for laboratories, opportunities for staff and student exchanges. We also intend to revive the alumni network, make it really vibrant. Moi University boasts alumni like our Deputy President, Professor Kindiki. I am also an alumni of Moi University. We have, Hassan Omar, the Secretary General of UDA. We have Honorable Waziri Duale and many other alumni. And so from this alumni network, we know that we shall raise resources to help us turn around Moi University.